Today we discuss on a topic number system. Now we see the examples. '74 plus 75 plus 76 plus 76 up to 150. Some of these numbers are here. We find the summation. We use the formula of ESN or sum of n number terms. Here we find n, how many terms, is equal to n upon 2 into twice a plus n minus 1 d. Now here we take, here n is first, here a means your first term is, here a is 74. Total numbers we find the d means difference between these two, difference between these two, d is 1, d is equal to 1. Then number of terms, n is equal to, we find n, then 150 minus 74 divided by difference between these two terms is 1 plus 1. Now here subtraction is 6, 77. There n, value of n is 77. Then we find the sum of n number terms. Sn is equal to, your value of n is, number of terms is 77 divided by 2 into twice a means first term 74 plus n minus 1, 77 minus 1 into d means difference is your 1. Now here we find 77 divided by 2 into 74 into 2 is 148 plus 77 minus 1 is 76. Now here we take, solve this 77 divided by 2, 77 divided by 2 into 148 plus 76. 148 plus 76. Now here 77 divided by 2 into addition of these two, here 77 into 112. Now here we take the multiplication. Eight thousand six hundred and 8,624. Now your addition is 8,624. 8,624. Solve this by SN. हा आपण कशाच्या SN, सम ऑफ एन नंबर टर्म्स नुसार सोडवलं. ठीक आहे. जर आपल्याला डायरेक्टली सम काढायचे असेल, सम then sum is equal to average into total numbers. Your average is first term plus last term divided by 2. First term plus last term 150. Last term divided by 2. Your average is first term plus last term divided by 2. And to find total numbers, Then subtraction of these two, find total number 150 minus 74 divided by difference d means gap of these two terms d plus 1. Then here 76 plus 1, 77. Now here into 77. Now here take 224 divided by 2 into 77. Here 112. मागाच्या सारखं आलं बघा 112 गुणिले 77. यांचा गुणाकार केला तर तुमचं उत्तर येईल 8724. 8724 हा आहे त्यांची बेरीज सम. ठीक आहे. सम कसा करणार, ऍव्हरेज इंटू टोटल नंबर. ऍव्हरेज कसं करणार, फर्स्ट टर्म प्लस लास्ट टर्म डिवाइडेड बाय 2. टोटल नंबर 77. हे सोडवलं की तुमची ऍडिशन येते. नाउ नेक्स्ट find the sum of the numbers from 31 to 91 is divisible by 3. Find the sum of numbers from 31 to 91 is divisible by 3. After 31, first number divisible by 3 is 33, then 36, and your last number is 90. Before 91, divisible by 3 number is 90. Now here we find the sum. Sum is equal to average into total number. Average into total number. Here we find sum is equal to average into total number. We find the average is equal to 33 plus 90 divided by 2. 33 plus 90 divided by 2. And we find the total number. Find the total number is subtraction of these two, first number and last number. Subtraction of these two divided by gap between these two terms. 90 minus 33 divided by 3 plus 1. Then here remain is 57 divided by 3 plus 1. That is 90 plus 1 is 20. Total terms are 20. Then into 20. Total terms are 20. Now here we solve this. 33 plus 90 divided by 2 into 20. Solve this. (33 plus 90 divided by 2). 33 plus 90 divided by 2 into total numbers 20. Here sum is equal to average into total number. Sum is equal to average into total number. Your average is 33 plus 90 divided by 2 into total number 20. Then get cross multiplication. Your answer is 1230. 1230. Your answer is 1230. Now next, find the sum of number from 100 to 300 is divisible by 4. Find the sum of the numbers from 100 to 300 is divisible by 4. Now here we write the addition. First number 100 is divisible by 4 is divisible by 4. 100 plus 100 plus 4 plus 108 plus last term. Your last term is 300 is divisible by 4. Yes, 300 is divisible by 4. Your last number is 300. Now here we find the sum. Here we find the sum. Sum is equal to average into total number. Sum is equal to average into total number. Now here you find average. First term plus last term divided by 2. You find average. First term plus last term. First term plus last term divided by 2. This is your average. Now here we find the total terms or total numbers. We find the total terms or total numbers. Total numbers. Total numbers is equal to subtraction of first and last number. Subtraction of first and last number. Subtraction of first and last number. Divisible by 4 divided by 4 plus 1. Subtraction of first and last number divided by 4 plus 1. When 300 minus 100 is 200 divided by 4. 200 divided by 4 plus 1. Now here 200 divided by 4 is 50 plus 1 is equal to 51. 50 plus 1 is equal to 51. Now here total numbers are 51. Total numbers are 51. Then 200 plus 100, 200 plus 300 is 400 divided by 2 into 51. 400 divided by 2 into 51. Then here 200 into 51. 200 into 51. Now here we get multiplication. Here we find the average first term plus last term divided by 2. Then total numbers are 51. Total numbers are 51. Now here we take addition. 300 plus 100. 400 divided by 2 into 51. 400 divided by 2 means 200 into 51. We take the multiplication. Then your answer is 10,200. Your answer is 10,200 to 10,200. Your answer is 10,200. This is your answer. We find the sum of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square dot 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 plus 10 square. Here we find the sum of square of the natural number. Sum of square of natural number. Then this find by the your formula is n into n plus 1 into twice n plus 1. N into n plus 1 into twice n plus 1 divided by 6. N into n plus 1 into twice n plus 1 divided by 6. Here n is there are first 10 numbers. N means first 10 number. N is equal to 10. N is equal to 10. Now here we write 10 into 10 plus 1 11 into here the value of n is 10. 2 into 10 20 plus 1 is 21 divided by 6. Divided by 6. 21 divided by 6. Then here your answer is 55 into 11. 55 into 11. 55 into 11. Now here we will take cross multiplication. Your answer is 605. Your answer is 605. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square 4 square 5 square 6 square 7 square 8 square 9 square 10 square. Your addition is 605. This is your answer. 605. This is your answer. Now next. One cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube dot 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 plus 10 cube. You take the addition. Here we n is equal to value of n is 10. Your value of n is 10. Now here we take we use formula for this addition. Sum of the cube of the natural numbers. First natural numbers. Then your formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 bracket square. N into This is the formula for addition of sum of first natural number, and square this formula we get sum of cube of the natural numbers. Now here n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Here value of n is 10. Value of n is 10. Now here 10 into 10 plus 1 11 divided by 2 bracket square. 10 into 10 plus 1 11 divided by 2 bracket square. Then 2 5 is 10. Now here 55 bracket square. 55 bracket square. 55 bracket square. We take square of 55. Now your answer is 3025. Your answer is 55 square, that is 3025. Here n into n plus 1 divided by 2 bracket square. Your value of n is 10. 10 into 10 plus 1 11. 10 into 10 plus 1 11 divided by 2. 2 5 are 10. And then 5 into 11 55 square. 55 square value is 3025. 25. Your answer is 3025. Your answer is 25. Now next. Here 2 cube plus 4 cube plus 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube plus 12 cube plus 14 cube 16 18 20 cube. We find the sum of cube of this number. Here these terms is not first natural numbers. Here we write 2 cube into 1 cube. 4 write as, here we write 1 into 2 bracket cube. Then 4 write 2 into 2 bracket cube. Here 6 write 2 into 3 bracket cube. Then we write 8 2 into 4 bracket cube. Dot 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 2 into 10 bracket cube. We find the addition. Now here we write 1 cube into 2 cube plus 2 cube into 2 raised to 3, 2 cube into 3 cube plus 2 raised to 3 into 4 raised to 3 plus dot 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 plus 2 raised to 3 into 10 raised to 3. Now here we get 2 raised to 3 common. Here 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3. We get 2 raised to 3 common. 2 raised to 3 common. Then remain in bracket 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus dot 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 plus 10 cube plus 10 cube. 2 raised to 3, 2 cube, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube plus dot 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 10 cube. Here we solve this. 2 cube means 8. Here solve. 2 cube into 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube plus dot 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 plus 20 cube. Now here we take addition of these two, then 8 into here. Now here addition of 10 cube. Here 10 cube. Here 10 cube. 10 cube. Now here we get the addition. E is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2 brackets square. Now here we write n, value of n is 10. Value of n is 10. Then 8 into in a bracket 10 into 10 plus 1 11 divided by 2 bracket square then 2 5 are 10. Now here remain is 8 into 55 bracket square 8 into 55 bracket square. Now here we write 8 into 55 bracket square. 8 into 55 bracket square is the square of this 55 is 325. 325. 8 into 325. We get the multiplication 24,200. Now here multiplication is 24,200. Your answer is 24,200. Your answer is 24,200. Your answer is 24,200. Now next. Here addition of 2 square, 4 square plus 6 square, 8 square, dot plus 20 square. We take addition of this number. Now here we write 2 into 1 bracket square plus 2 into 2 bracket square plus 2 into 4 bracket square plus dot plus 10 into 2 bracket square. 10 into 2 bracket square. Now here we write 2 square into 1 square plus 2 square into 2 square plus 2 square into 4 square plus dot plus 10 square into 2 square. Now here 2 square get common. Now here 2 square get common. Here 2 square get common. Remain 1 square plus 2 square plus here 3 here 3. Sorry. 3 square plus dot plus 10 square. Now here we get 2 square means 4 into we get addition of these two 1 square 2 square 3 square plus dot plus 10 then here 2 square into 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dot plus 10 square. Now here we write the formula 2 square means 4 into n plus 1 into twice n plus 1 divided by 6. Here value of n is 10. Value of n is 10. Then 4 into 10 plus 1 11 into 20 plus 1 21 divided by 6. Then we get so now here we get cross multiplication. Here 20 into 77. Now here we get multiplication of these two. 25 plus 30 plus 35 plus 40 plus 50 dot 20. We take the addition of this term. Now here 25 plus 30 plus 35 plus 40 plus 50 plus dot 20. Now here we find the sum. Sum is equal to average into total number. Now here your average is 21st number plus last number plus last number divided by 2. This is your average, and we find the total number. Total number is subtraction of these two. We find the total number. Subtraction of these two divided by 5 plus 1. Subtraction of these two divided by 5 plus 1. Now here 175 175 divided by 5 plus 1. 175 divided by 5 plus 1. Now here we take total addition is 30. Total number is 36. Now here we find the total number. 200 minus 25 divided by gap between these two is 5 plus 1. Now here subtraction is 175 divided by 5 is 35 plus 1 is 36. 36. Now here this is number. By solving these two, here we get the sum 225 divided by 2 into 36. Now cross multiplication get 18. Now here 225 into 18. 225 into 18. 225 into 18. Now get multiplication of these two. 225 into 18. Then your answer is 4050. Your answer is 4050. Now here 225 into 18. Now you will get multiplication. Your answer is 4000 and 12 plus 16 plus 20 dot plus 300. We find the sum. Now here we find the sum of this total numbers is equal to average into total number. Now we find the average. Average means first term plus last term. First term plus last term divided by 2. First term plus last term divided by 2. Now here we find the total number. Total number, subtraction of these two terms for last term and first term, subtraction of these two terms divided by gap between these two plus 1, divided by gap between these two plus 2. Now here subtraction of these two is 288 divided by 4 plus 1. Now here by subtraction these two, your total number is 73. Total number is 73. Total number is 73. Now here by calculating this, total number is 73. Now here addition of this is 12 divided by 2 into 73 into 73. 312 divided by 2 into 73. Now here we get 2 1 the 2. 156 into 73. Now here we get the multiplication of 156 into 73. We get the answer. Now here multiplication of 156 into 73. We get the multiplication. Get multiplication. $11,388. Now your answer is 11,388. This is your answer. 11,388. Now next. Here we find the average. Average is 12 plus 300 divided by 2. Total number is subtraction of these two divided by 4 plus 1. Your total number is 73. Now next. 9 digit number 895663x87y is divisible by 72. What is the value of square root of 7x minus 3y? Now here find the numbers digits of x and y. Here 9 digit number 895663x 87y. These are the digits. Is divisible by 72. Divisible by 72. What is the value of square root of 7x minus 3y? मग आपल्याला x आणि y च्या जागी कोणते अंक येणार आहेत तर काढायचे. मग 72. तर इथं तुम्ही कुठल्या पॉसिबल कसोटी लागू करू शकता. तर 72 ला 4 न भाग जातोय, 8 न जातोय, 9 न जातोय. मग 4, 8, 9 च्या कसोटी लागू करून ते अंक शोधू शकता. मग 4 ची कसोटी काय तर शेवटच्या 2 अंकाला, ह्या शेवटच्या 2 अंकाला ज्या 4 ने भाग गेल्यास त्या पूर्ण संख्येला कशाने भाग जातो? 4 ने भाग जातो. मग वायच्या जागी पॉसिबल डिजिट कुठले येणार तर इथे 1 ठेवला तर 71 ला 4 न भाग जातो का नाही? 72 ठेवले, 72 ला 4 न जातो का तर जातो. पॉसिबल 2 आला. परत 73 ला 4 न 3 ठेवला, 4 ठेवला, 5 ठेवला. 5 75 ला 4 ने जातो का नाही? 76 ला 4 ने जातो का तर जातो. 76 ला कितीने भाग जातो? 4 ने जातो. परत 77 ला 4 ने जात नाही, 78 ला 4 ने जात नाही, 79 ला 4 ने जात नाही. मग पॉसिबल वाय चे डिजिट किती आले? 2 आणि 6. आता हे 2 आणि 6 ठेवल्यानंतर इथं 8 ची कसोटी काय तर शेवटच्या 3 अंकाला 8 न भाग गेला पाहिजे. मग हे अंक ठेवून बघा कुठल्या संख्येला 8 न भाग जातोय तर 872 आणि 876 ह्या 3 नंबर संख्या तयार होत आहेत. वायच्या जागी 2 घेतलं किंवा 6 घेतलं मग 872 येईल, 876 येईल. मग या दोन्हीतल्या एकाला 8 न भाग गेला पाहिजे. मग 8 ची कसोटी कुठे लागू होत्या तर 8 1 8, 8 9 72. मग वायच्या जागी पॉसिबल डिजिट काय आहे तुमचा? 2. वायच्या जागी डिजिट काय असू शकतो रे वायच्या जागी तुमचा तर वायच्या जागी काय आला? 2. वायच्या जागी कुठला नंबर आला रे? 2 आला. 2. मग पुन्हा वायच्या जागी 2 आला. आता 9 ची कसोटी काय तर त्या अंकातील बेरजेला कितीनं भाग गेला पाहिजे? 9 न भाग गेला पाहिजे. मग या अंकांची बेरीज करा. वायच्या जागी 2 ठेवून बघा. मग आपला हे तर 3x72 या अंकाची बेरजेला कितीनं भाग गेला पाहिजे तर 9 न भाग गेला पाहिजे. मग किती येते? मग 48 मध्ये 48 प्लस x यांची बेरीज काय आली? या तिला अंकाच्या बेरीज 48 प्लस x. मग या संख्येतील अंकाच्या बेरजेला कितीनं भाग गेला पाहिजे? 9 न. मग 48 च्या पुढची 9 ने भाग जाणारी संख्या कोणती तर 54. 48 च्या पुढील 9 ने भाग जाणारी संख्या कोणती तर 54 आलं. मग 48 मध्ये किती मिळवल्यानंतर 54 येईल तर x ची व्हॅल्यू किती येईल रे तुमची 6. 48 प्लस 6 54. मग x ची व्हॅल्यू काय येईल? 54. मग ह्या 54 ला 9 न भाग जातो. मग x किती आला? 6 ला 6. मग 9 च्या कसोटी नुसार तुम्ही कशाची व्हॅल्यू काढली? x ची व्हॅल्यू काढली. मग आता ह्यांनी काय विचारले? मग x y च्या किमती भेटल्या तुम्हाला. मग विचारले की 7x स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ व्हॅल्यू ऑफ 7x मायनस 3y ची व्हॅल्यू विचारली. 7x मायनस 3y. मग x ची व्हॅल्यू आपली किती आली? 6 आली आणि y ची व्हॅल्यू किती आली? 2 आली. 42 मायनस 6 दॅट इज 36. Square root of 36 is 6. Then your answer is 6. Your answer is 6. Now next. If the 9-digit number 87 765x31y is divisible by 72. Then the value of 2x minus 3y is. Then the value of 2x minus 3y is. Here write the number 87605x31y is divisible by 72. Is divisible by 72. मग 72 72ला ज्या भाग संख्येनं पहिल्यांदा काय घ्यायचं आपण तर 72ला जास्त 8 9 72. मग इथे 4 का घेतलं तर लास्टचे पॉसिबल डिजिट निघतात. मग लक्षात ठेवा इथे तर 4 ची कसोटी काय शेवटच्या दोन अंकाला 4 ने भाग गेला म्हणजे शेवटच्या दोन अंकापासून तयार होणाऱ्या संख्येला 4 ने भाग गेला तर त्या संख्येला 4 ने भाग जातो. मग पॉसिबल डिजिट काय आले वायच्या जागी तर 2 3 ला भाग जात नाही 4 न 14 ला नाही जात 15 ला नाही 16 ला जातो 17 18 ला नाही 19 ला नाही. मग वायच्या जागी पॉसिबल डिजिट किती आले रे 2 आणि 6. इथे लक्षात ठेवा 1 च्या पुढे 2 ठेवले 12 ला 4 ने जातो 16 ला 4 ने जातो. मग पॉसिबल डिजिट वायच्या जागी काय आले 2 आणि 6. मग त्यानंतर 8 ची कोसिटी लावली की 8 च्या कोसिटी मुळे आपल्याला वायच्या ठिकाणी परफेक्ट डिजिट भेटेल. मग काय करायचं 312 आणि 316 यापैकी कोणत्या संख्येला 8 ने भाग जातो तर 312 ला 8 ने जातो का बघायचं. तीनशे 12 ला 8 ने भाग जातोय आणि 316 ला 8 ने जातोय का बघायचं. तीनशे 16 ला 8 ने भाग जात नाही. मग 2च्या ठिकाणी पॉसिबल वायच्या ठिकाणी पॉसिबल डिजिट काय आला तुमचा 2 आला. मग वायच्या ठिकाणी काय आला 2 आला. 312 ला तुमच्या किती ने भाग जातो 8 ने भाग जातो. आता राहिला एक्स फाइंड आउट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ एक्स. मग इथं आली कुठली 9ची कसोटी राहिली कुठली 9ची कसोटी. 9ची कसोटी काय त्या संख्येतील अंकाच्या बेरजेला 9 ने भाग गेला तर त्या संख्येस 9 ने भाग जातो. मग ऍड करा मग इथं ऍडिशन काय येईल 32 प्लस एक्स 32 प्लस एक्स. मग 32 च्या पुढची 9 ने भाग जाणारी संख्या कोणती तर 36. मग 32 मध्ये किती मिळवायला लागेल तुम्हाला त्यावेळी 36 येईल तर 32 मध्ये किती मिळवल्यानंतर 36 येईल तर 32 मध्ये 4 मिळवल्यानंतर 36 येईल. मग एक्स ची व्हॅल्यू किती आली रे 4 आली. व्हॅल्यू ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू 4 आलं. व्हॅल्यू ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू 4. वाय ची किती आली 2 आली. एक्स ची किती आली 4 आली. मग तुम्हाला विचारले काय इथं तर 2x वजा 3y 2x वजा 3y विचारले. मग एक्स ची व्हॅल्यू किती आली 4 4 दुनी 8 वजा 3 दुनी 6. मग 8 वजा 6 किती आलं तुमचं 2. मग युअर आन्सर इज 2x मायनस 3y इज 2. युअर आन्सर इज 2. लक्षात ठेवा 72 ला ज्या संख्येनं 4 8 9 या फक्त कसोट्या लागू करायच्या तुमचा आन्सर येते. नाव नेक्स्ट find the sum of the numbers from 26 to 150 which is divisible by 3 and these are odd numbers. म्हणजे त्या 3 ने भाग जाणाऱ्या संख्या पाहिजेत आणि त्या विषम संख्या पाहिजेत 3 ने भाग जाणाऱ्या. म्हणजे तुम्हाला विचारले 26 ते 153 पर्यंत 3 ने भाग जाणारे विषम संख्येची बेरीज. व 26 नंतर येणारी 3 ने भाग जाणारी पहिली विषम संख्या 27. मग पहिली विषम संख्या 27. त्याच्यानंतर 30 सम आहेत. त्याच्यानंतर विषम आली 33. त्याच्यानंतर 33 नंतर 36 39. मग लास्ट ची 3 ने भाग जाणारी विषम संख्या कोणती 153. नाव यांची बेरीज काढायची असेल, सम काढायची असेल तर आपण कसे सम काढतो? ऍव्हरेज इंटू टोटल नंबर. नाव हियर नाव ऍव्हरेज कसा काढतो रे? फर्स्ट टर्म और लास्ट टर्म डिवायडेड बाय 2 हे ऍव्हरेज आलं, पहिली संख्या आणि शेवटची संख्या यांची बेरीज इंटू टोटल नंबर्स. टोटल नंबर्स कसे फाइंड करणार? तर 153 लास्ट नंबर मायनस फर्स्ट नंबर डिवायडेड बाय गॅप बिटवीन दीज टू. गॅप बिटवीन दीज टू म्हणजे या दोन संख्येतील गॅप कितीचा आहे रे? 6चा प्लस 1. कितीचा गॅप आहे? 6चा प्लस 1. मग यांचं सबट्रॅक्शन घ्या. वन 126 डिवायडेड बाय 6 प्लस 1. मग यांचे ऍडिशन केले तर सबट्रॅक्शन केलं, पहिलं डिव्हिजन केलं. 21 प्लस 1 22. टोटल नंबर्स आर 22. टोटल नंबर्स आर 22. सबट्रॅक्शन ऑफ these two 156 minus 27 divided by 6 plus 1. जर सबट्रॅक्शन केलं तर काय आलं? 126 divided by 6 plus 1. 21 plus 1 is 22. मग हे जर सोडवलं आपण तर ऍडिशन ऑफ these two 180 divided by 2 into 22. 180 as addition of these two 180 divided by 2 into 22 is equal to 11. Now here we get cross multiplication. You get multiplication, then 0. One 1980. Then your sum is 1980.